How to see library tab on YouTube. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you where or how you can access your library tab on YouTube. Now, first things first, if you have fully updated your YouTube application into the very latest version, which will actually be seen on your Google Play Store or wherever you downloaded applications to, unfortunately, library tab is no longer available of the options below. So on the older versions of YouTube, you should be able to see the library tab below, such as the home, the shorts, the plus icon, the subscription, and the news tab. If you have again updated it, you will not be able to see that down below. So for you to access it, is you just need to go into the U tab, which is going to be your profile picture icon at the lower right. And once you tap on that, you will automatically see your library tab. Now it's going to be including the playlist and the music that you have added into your YouTube account, all or all of the files or all of any types of surfing that you've done on YouTube will automatically be reflected into your library tab. And that's it. That's how you see library tab on YouTube.